Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Messenger something went wrong problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is you firstly gonna access your particular Play Store app on your mobile phone, and now go ahead, go to search bar and simply type in Messenger. And once you have done so, you're gonna find the particular Messenger of yours, and if you tap on this open, and if it shows the particular update option here in this open section, then you simply will be tap on this update and update your particular app, because sometimes if your app is not up to date, it's gonna cause those kind of problems, right? Then afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, go back, and then check your network connection as well. If it's going on and off in between, that can also cause that particular problem. Afterwards, access the settings of your phone and go ahead, tap on this option called apps, and scroll down till you find your particular Messenger app here in this list, and simply go ahead, tap on this option called storage over here and tap on this clear cache. So clearing cache also helps out then to remove all of the unnecessary storage that is keeping for your and making your app have the little lags or something like that, and that is the way you can also solve your. If it's still not working, go ahead, uninstall your particular app and reinstall it, add your information, and you will be done. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.